From the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Texas Department of Criminal Justice has worked with one goal in mind: protecting the health and safety of the offenders in our care and the employees and contractors who work for this agency. TDCJ has been and continues to be a pioneer nationally. We have pioneered agency-wide responses like suspension of visitation and intake, public release of testing information, mass testing of both offenders and employees, implementation of temperature screening, mask manufacturing of cotton masks, distribution of and mandatory mask usage for persons on our units, and acquisition and use of hospital-grade and EPA-approved vinyl oxide for the highest levels of sanitation. TDCJ remains diligent in its commitment to sanitation, social distancing, masking, pre-entry screening, and intake screening, along with isolation. All of these strategies are key to continuing the downward trend that we're seeing of COVID inside our system. We have been and will continue to be nimble in our use of new strategies as they present themselves to ensure that we're doing everything we possibly can in all of those efforts. Now, the first of its kind mass testing program of offenders and staff continues in TDCJ with over 200,000 offender tests and 60,000 employee tests conducted. This allows the agency to ensure that asymptomatic employees that are positive are able to self-quarantine, and the same for offenders, making sure that they're housed in cohorts appropriately in order to limit the spread of the virus. Now, despite significant challenges, including an ongoing staffing shortfall and as many as 1,100 employees at one time self-quarantining due to COVID-19, emphasis has been placed on maintaining adequate staffing at all units, including leveraging correctional officers from throughout the state to fill critical positions at understaffed units, using non-uniform staff to work positions at some facilities, overtime, and various other tactics to maintain safety and security across our 101-unit system. Beyond this, due to pending litigation in the United States Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals on behalf of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, I cannot comment further.